Okay, this is going to be quick. So construct a formula in cell A2 that multiplies the value in A1 by 5. That formula is pretty simple. I'm going to highlight cell A2, say equals, click on cell A1, I'm going to say times 5. So what should the answer be? Pause the video if you're not sure. I'm going to go ahead and give it away, hit enter. The value is 8. Now why would this happen? 5 times 2 is 10, but Microsoft Excel is telling me that the answer is 8. What the heck is going on? Why is this happening? Well, let's look at the value inside A1. The value is not 2. The value is actually 1.6. Here, the decimal display has been changed to show no decimal places. But if I expand this, this is actually the number 1.6. So if I round this down, it's going to display 2. But Microsoft Excel is going to use the more precise number when doing the calculation. It's important to remember that changing this decimal place doesn't actually round the numbers. All changing this decimal place does is change how the number is displayed in the worksheet. I've seen a lot of people run into this problem before. So even though it looks like a simple problem, it's 2 times 5, we get the answer 8. And it's all because of the way Microsoft Excel is storing the values. So the display formatting does not change the underlying number. That's a very important concept.